Hey, pizza lovers, welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we dive into the coolest gear to level up your outdoor cooking game. Today, I'm absolutely stoked to talk about the Witt PICCOLO Rotante outdoor pizza oven. If you're dreaming of crispy, restaurant-quality pizzas in your backyard or on a camping trip, this compact oven is a total game changer. Stick around to see what makes it so special, and don't forget to click the Amazon link in the description for the best deal. Let's jump into the features of the Witt PICCOLO Rotante. This 13-inch gas-powered oven is a beast, heating up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes and baking 12-inch pizzas in 60 to 90 seconds for that perfect leopard-spotted crust. Its standout feature is the rotating pizza stone, which spins automatically to ensure even cooking without you having to turn the pizza manually. The C-shaped burner wraps around the stone, delivering consistent heat for flawless results every time. Made with SS304 stainless steel, it's super durable and corrosion-resistant, with a removable stone shelf that makes cleaning a breeze. At just 19 pounds with foldable legs, it's incredibly portable, perfect for small patios, balconies, or taking on the road for camping or tailgates. It's not just for pizzas either. You can bake bread, roast veggies, or even grill meats. Available in sleek black or vibrant green, it's as stylish as it is functional. The setup is simple. Unfold the legs, connect a propane tank, and hit the button to ignite. Plus, the double-layered insulation keeps heat steady for back-to-back pizza sessions. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. The pros are huge. The rotating stone is a dream, giving you perfectly cooked pizzas without the hassle of manual turning. It heats up crazy fast, and the compact, lightweight design makes it ideal for small spaces or travel. The stainless steel build is top-notch, and cleanup is so easy with the removable stone shelf. It's versatile for more than just pizzas, and the stylish colors add flair to your outdoor setup. Cons? It's priced around $480, which might feel steep for casual pizza makers. It's gas only, so you'll need a propane tank, and some users mentioned a slight learning curve with the igniter battery setup. Also, it doesn't come with a pizza peel, so you'll need to grab one separately. Should you buy the Witt PICCOLO Rotante? Heck yeah, if you're a pizza enthusiast who wants pro-level results without a bulky oven, it's perfect for backyard pizza parties, camping adventures, or anyone with limited space who still wants authentic, crispy pizzas. The rotating stone and fast cooking make it a standout for anyone serious about their pizza game. If you're as excited as I am, hit that subscribe button for more awesome reviews and click the Amazon link in the description to snag the Witt PICCOLO Rotante at the best price. Rick's Review Hub has special promotional pricing, so use the link below to save big. Thanks for watching. Give it a like, share with your friends, and subscribe if this helps. See you in the next one.